Hey yo, what's up everybody, it's JJ. Today we're coming back a video basically talking about this Haru Invest, and of course in this bear market itself, people are looking on alternative like how can you generate some passive income. Definitely this video is for you if let's say you are looking for a way to generate passive income. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to this video for the YouTube algorithm. And of course without further ado, I will basically jump into the topic itself. So introduction on Haru Invest itself is the place for you to generate passive income regardless of the market condition, but of course there's some risk towards it, but of course the risk I will mention it at the end of the video, so you guys have to stay tuned to basically know everything about this video. So disclaimer itself, yes, I'm affiliated with Haru Invest, and of course I would say that the affiliate program itself is here to basically help me to basically do free content, and after that from there give you guys educational slash updates on my YouTube channel. So if you want to use my link down below, feel free to use it down below to sign up on Haru Invest, and you will get an additional bonus of 0.2% on your interest rate. And after that, without further ado, we're gonna basically jump into this what is Haru Invest for those who are new to the channel. And of course you can skip this part if you do not want to know about this, or you already know about this. Basically Haru Invest itself is a platform which is basically started off with their own website only, but of course eventually they developed their own mobile application. And of course I would say if let's say you want to fully utilize the Haru Invest application or the website itself, the product, use the application, and after that you can gain access towards their marketplace, and after that from there you can buy off people's Haru investment product, and after that from there you're paying X amount of Ethereum or Bitcoin for their contract, but of course it's a lockup contract, and eventually you will get an additional yield if let's say they are selling it at a lower price rate. And of course from there you can benefit from it if let's say you do not want to stake your own. But of course as of this video itself, there's some promotion that is ongoing, so I'm going to mention it to you later on. So over here, for those who are new, basically it's very simple to start with Haru Invest. Sign up an account using the link down below, have your funds ready, Ethereum, Bitcoin or US Tether only, and after that from there just deposit. And of course once you have deposited your funds itself, there's basically like a few types of products you can choose. Basically the Earn Plus itself is basically locking up your funds, and after that from there you can basically generate a percentage out of it up to 17.2. if let's say you use the link itself, is 17.4. And of course for the Earn Explore itself, you can basically earn up to like 25, as they mentioned over here, 25% APR. So the product itself basically most of the product itself is a lockup of 3 months, basically Bitcoin and Ethereum, and after that the rest is US Tether. And of course another one is farming just got easier. For this itself, I would say use it at your own risk, because personally tested it out, and of course from there I would say yes, there's negative rewards over there, but on these 3 products over here we have never seen a negative report at the end of the month or 2 weeks, depending on when they send out the notification. So over here I'm going to explain to you how can you earn during this bear market. So how do you earn in this bear market? It's just simple. Just head over to my YouTube, which is gonna pop up, just click on it, and after that from there you can do your own due diligence before you jump into the product itself. I have a whole playlist talking about Haru Invest, and after that from there talking about like what is the update, and after that from there how much have I generated from time to time. So in total itself, I've been with Haru for almost 2 years, and after that I would say yeah, basically the withdrawal itself works as fine. And of course the withdrawal wise itself is within 1 working day / 24 hours upon your requestion of withdrawals. And after that from there I would say that the product itself, you can earn amazing returns. And after that I would say compared to all the CeFi out there, basically Haru itself is one of the underrated one, because I believe they do not do marketing that much. And of course I believe that one time they did the marketing, it was on Etherscan, and after that it is popping out on like sometime on the Etherscan itself, Haru Invest. But of course eventually they did not really do promotion full on, but of course they do not spend a lot of money on promotions. I believe that because the funds itself can be put to much greater use to basically generate income as high as 17 or even 25% in the future itself. And after that from there, marketing itself, if let's say you're that good, eventually people will do marketing like me for free, and after that from there hopefully people will join, and after that from there expand the community. So over here earning itself, simple, sign up an account, and after that from there just put your funds in. It's just as easy. Either you can choose to lock up your funds, either not, just don't lock up your funds, just deposit in, and after that from there it will generate passive income without basically without sending your funds, I mean like without locking your funds up, you still can generate. And after that from there it's a flexible one, and of course the rates itself is slightly lower. So over here we're going to basically talk about the Haru Invest promotion, but of course I'm just going to show you my portfolio back end. So over here is my whole portfolio, and after that from there I have around 48k depending on the price of Bitcoin or Ethereum. If let's say Bitcoin and Ethereum doubles itself, it is 100k value. So over here doesn't matter the US dollar value, because I'm here generating more Bitcoin and more Ethereum for me to hodl. And after that, if you Click on the earn product itself. I have some of the products being locked up, and of course as of these two over here, it's going to be unlocked in 2 days. And of course these funds over here, for those who have been watching my content itself, you know that I'm going to basically stake Ethereum 2.0. So this fund over here is going to basically help me with this staking, and of course from there do a video slash guide about this Ethereum 2.0 staking. So over here I would say that yeah, basically I'm still hodling everything over here, and after that hopefully it will get unlocked. And of course yeah, it's that story for another day. But of course we're gonna look at the promotion right now. So over here, promotion, Haru has already launched, is basically their anniversary. Basically it's the 3rd year celebration. They have been here for 3 years, and after that over here Haru want to basically congratulate slash do a celebrate with everybody who is supporting them. So over here the period of starting itself will be on the 29th August all the way to the 8th of September, and after that from there they are offering additional 3% on your earn rates. Basically over here this is the earn plus itself. They are offering a 3% additional bonus. If let's say you lock up for almost 365 days, you will guarantee this 3%. But of course if you lock up over 90 days, you are getting 1%, 180 days for 2%, and of course using the link down below, get additional 0.2% on this type of product. And of course over here, for example, basically to give you an example, for US Tether itself, the highest rate that they're offering is 17.2, but of course with the referral itself it is 17.4, so everything just add a 0.2 over there. And after that for Ethereum, for Bitcoin itself is 16.7, for Ethereum is 16.2, and after that over here, this over here is provided you are locking it up for 365 days, and I believe not a lot of people will do this 365 days because it's a year, and after that people are more more comfortable with maybe a 3-month lockup. But nevertheless, additional 3 months lockup itself, you are still getting 1% for your product itself. So I would say it's still worth it, and after that from there I would say definitely a good one. If you want to lock up slash join the Haru Invest platform as of today, it is a very good time to join because they are giving up additional bonus for your lockup funds. And after that over here, scroll down, there's another promotion ongoing, basically Twitter promotion. Share your Haru Invest history itself for those who are existing users. For this itself is for everybody. Whoever create this contract as of today, you will receive all of these bonuses. And of course it's not for the new or the old users, it is for both users. Basically they are waiting for whoever create a new product itself, a new lockup term, you will receive this. This is only for the earn plus. And of course scroll down for the Twitter promotion itself for existing users, and of course from there you can basically share your this over here, the Haru Invest history on the Haru Invest app, and after that 10 winners will be selected randomly. All entries are received, and of course from here you can just show your earn rate equals to show crypto with the highest earn rate from users crypto portfolio, and after that from there display the average. So this is how they show it, and after that from there you need to head over to the application to join. So take a screenshot itself, just post it on Twitter, and after that I believe just by tagging them. So over here the promotion period is the same period as of on top mentioned. So over here the giveaway is $100 in Bitcoin to 10 winners, so they are giving $1,000 in Bitcoin for free for 10 different users itself. And after that from there, September 15 on Haru Invest Twitter, winner will be asked to basically submit their information to receive the prize through the message on the Twitter itself. So if you sign up for a Twitter, you want to basically do some do a mass bot or whatever advertising you want to do it, just note that you are going to basically head over to your DM to receive the reward. So over here they are basically telling you how does the earn rate accumulated itself, how is it accumulated, and after that from there, lastly itself is the survey. So for the survey itself is for existing people, I believe, and after that from there you can join it if let's say you are not existing user, but of course you just need to head over to this Google Doc itself, and after that answer some questions. So over here, which product do you love the most and why, and after that from there recommend your friends or not, and after that provide your email address registered on Haru Invest, and of course whoever wins itself will win $100 in US Tether. And after that from there, this is for 10 users as well, so $1,000 for free. And after that from there you can see that this over here, the promotion that they're doing is not really like a full ham giving out like maybe $30,000 for $50,000 for users that have, like for some platform we have seen they are giving out like 100,000 and everything like this just for advertising. But of course on Haru itself, they do not, I already mentioned, they do not really spam on advertising, but of course they want to basically gain more attraction. So this is how they gain the attraction over here, giving a small prize for everybody. And of course 10 winners itself, I believe there's more people to it. And after that, there's 10 winners for the $100 US Tether, and after that another 10 winners for the Bitcoin itself. So best of luck to everybody who are interested in sharing, and after that from there joining this promotion. I'm gonna link this page down below for everybody. So lastly is the thoughts and risks that everybody wants to hear about. So the thoughts about Haru Invest itself, yes, definitely it's an awesome platform. I've been with them almost 2 years, and after that I would say that the payouts is always there, and after that eventually for the earn explore itself, never seen a negative return. But of course it might change in the future, because past data doesn't determine the future results itself. So definitely as of now we are looking at all positive rates, but of course when shit happen it might go to negative or something like that. So this is one of the risks that you have to notice only for the earn explore. But of course for the earn plus itself, definitely whatever they promise you, the rates itself, definitely you will receive the rates at the end of the day, because you're locking up your funds. And of course with the funds locked up, they can use it to basically invest, and after that from there do investment, trading and everything to basically generate additional funds. Unlike other platforms, they can let you do whatever flexible you want to, basically send in your funds, just wait. So when this flexible thing happens too much itself, we already seen on Celsius itself, their returns itself, their flexibility is basically anybody can just deposit like 10 Bitcoin, 100 Bitcoin, and of course anybody can withdraw 100 Bitcoin as well at depending on when they want to do it. So for this itself, I would say the flexible term itself is one of the red flag that you must know about, because when everybody deposit, like there's a pool of like 1000 Bitcoin, and after that let's say one whale just owns like maybe 400 Bitcoin or something like that, but of course the platform use the most of the whatever funds that they have, maybe 80% or 90% of the funds they have, they go and invest into it, into a product that is locked up, and eventually if let's say the whale want to withdraw their funds, they can't, because there's no liquidity inside. So I would say for the flexible itself, it is somehow very risky for them to invest in. So I believe Haru itself, they have done their proper risk management to it, because as of today they are still here, not affected by the Luna fiasco, and of course not affected by all these big CeFi platform being like closing down one by one, like Celsius Network, Hodernut, and after many more that you heard of, basically shutting down from the incident that they have, because they do not have proper risk management. But of course as of today we can see Haru is still doing fine, and of course from there it might change. I mean, like for the risk itself, we are dealing with a CeFi right now. Basically we are putting our funds into a centralized entity, but of course regardless of what, they can choose to basically go bankrupt if let's say their funds isn't managing well or whatsoever. They do not have enough money to pay out, they owe people more than whatever they claim to have. So over here, these are all the risks that you need to know. Basically only put in whatever you can afford to lose. So if let's say you want to put you have $10,000 for example, and after that from there you can bear to lose this $1,000, yes, feel free to put inside Haru, and after that that's it. Do not put more than what you can afford to lose. So this is the golden rule to investment. So never put more than you can afford to lose, and after that from there, note that yeah, whatever I say about Haru, it might seems awesome, and after that from there looks magical and everything, but of course always do your own due diligence and research before you jump into the platform itself. So for Haru itself, I already gave you my experience, and after that my results. All here is true and non-biased. I would say I'm not forcing you to sign up under my link or whatsoever, but of course just giving you the facts that I have received from Haru, and after that sharing it with you guys. And after they might think that, oh, this guy must be paid and everything. I wish I'm being paid, to be honest, but of course unfortunately I'm not. And after that I would say that this over here definitely will help a lot if let's say you guys sign up using the link. And after that I would say, yeah, whatever I share itself is the product that I have used personally, and after that the results that I have seen. And of course from there I would say that Haru itself, definitely no doubt they honor their words itself. Basically withdraw itself within 24 hours. So if you want to join it, and after that if you can't afford to lose whatever funds itself, do not put more than that. And after that from there, always know that Haru itself, one fine day they can just close down, as like we've seen on Celsius, they can halt their withdrawals, and after that anything can happen on the CeFi platform. So I would say only put whatever you can afford to lose. Do not put like 100k or mortgage your house to basically, I mean, like take a loan from your house or whatsoever to basically join to this platform to generate some passive income, because I believe most of you guys here has already lost money in Celsius, and after that Hodernut and many more platforms that has shut down recently, halt their investment and everything. So you are looking for a way to basically generate everything back. But of course you have to take note of this. Slowly and surely you definitely will earn the money back eventually in time. But of course do not make decision due to the emotion itself. When you make decision due to the emotion, you will definitely make a wrong decision, and after that it will make you worsen. And after that I would say, yeah, basically I've come to the end of the video. If you like the video, kindly leave a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and after that subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye bye, peace.